Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss what slices are in Rust and how they can help us reference parts of collections without taking ownership. So, what are slices? A slice is a very common and useful type in Rust that lets you work with parts of a collection rather than the entire thing. Let's define it. A slice is a reference to part of a collection without taking ownership. That without taking ownership part is key. Slices are a type of borrow, which we'll come back to. The most common kind of slice you'll see is a string slice. Let's visualize a string we have in memory containing the text "Hello World." The string owns this data on the heap. But what if we only want to work with the word hello? We can take a slice. We use a range syntax, and S0:5, which means a reference to the part of S starting at index 0 up to, but not including, index 5. The resulting slice will contain the elements hello. This range syntax is very flexible, and S0:5 gives us a slice from the beginning up to index 5. If you're starting from index 0, you can leave it out, and S:5. This means from the start up to 5. Similarly, if you want to go from a certain point to the end, you can use and S:6. This means from index 6 all the way to the end. And if you want a slice of the entire string, you can use and S:::. This same concept works for other collections, like arrays. Let's say we have an array A, containing 5 numbers. If we write let slice equals and A1:3, we are creating a slice that references the part of the array starting at index 1 up to, but not including, index 3. The resulting slice will contain the elements 2, 3. The type of this slice is and open bracket I32, which is read as a slice of I32s. The most important concept to remember is that slices are borrows, which means they follow all the same borrowing rules we've already learned. Crucially, they don't take ownership of the data they point to. They just provide a view or a window into it. Because they are immutable references, you can have multiple immutable slices pointing to the same data at the same time. So let's summarize. Slices are a powerful way to reference parts of collections, like strings or arrays. They use a simple start.end syntax. They are not just for strings, but also for arrays and other contiguous data structures. And most importantly, they follow all the borrowing rules, acting as immutable references. Understanding slices is essential for writing efficient and safe Rust code. Now that we understand how references and borrows work, there's one more piece to the puzzle. In our next lesson, we'll introduce lifetimes in Rust. See you there.